Hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jhondel A. Bartolome. I live in Simong Capalong, Davao del Norte. I am currently studying at Capalong College of Agriculture, Sciences and Technology. By the way, I'm 18 years old. I took the course of Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Mathematics was always been my favorite since I was in elementary. I took the course Bachelor of Secondary Education not on purpose because I want to take the course of engineering but we can't afford it. And now I'm taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics. At least it's kind of something related. Today I'm going to have a tutorial with you. Do you want? No? Yes? Okay. The purpose of this tutorial is to know how to derive trigonometric formulas. And now I'm going to teach you how to derive one of the trigonometric formulas, sum and difference formulas. Here is the 2 of 4 formulas of sum and difference formulas. For us to know where the formulas came from, here are the steps. The first step we are going to do is that we must find the alpha and beta. First, in finding alpha, we have to add alpha plus beta equals A and alpha minus beta equals B. Now we're going to add them. Alpha plus alpha equals 2 alpha. Beta minus beta equals 0. Then A plus B. Our goal is to find alpha and these two must be removed. Then let's multiply both sides by 1/2. And now our alpha is 1/2 times A plus B. And now let's move on. Let's go to beta. To find beta, we must subtract alpha plus beta equals A and alpha minus beta equals B. Notice that alpha minus beta equals to B is column because of the operation subtraction. Now we're going to distribute the operation to the inside. Now alpha will be negative, beta will be positive, and B is negative. Now let's do the operation. Alpha minus alpha equals 0, beta plus beta equals 2 beta, and A minus. Multiply both sides by 1/2, and now our beta is 1/2 times A minus B. Now we're going to know where did that formula came from. This given formula from the modules comes outline of trigonometry, and we are going to derive sin A plus sin B, and we know that we have found alpha and beta. We can derive it now. Move on. Now sin alpha plus beta is equivalent to angle A plus sin alpha minus beta is angle B equals 2 sin alpha is equivalent to 1/2 times A plus B. Then cosine beta is equivalent to 1/2 times A minus B. And this is the derived formula of sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta equals 2 sin alpha times cosine beta to sin A plus sin B equals 2 sin 1/2 times A plus B and cosine 1/2 times A minus B. Next is we are going to derive cosine A minus cosine B. This formula is also can be seen in Scamm's outline of trigonometry. Cosine alpha plus beta is alpha is equivalent to A minus cosine alpha minus beta is equivalent to equals 2 sine alpha, which is 1/2 times A plus B, and sine beta is equivalent to 1/2 minus B. Now that we already know how to derive these formulas, we can now answer these examples. Our first example is sine 30 degrees plus sine 60 degrees. The first step we are going to do is that we must assign which is the angle A and angle B. It can be either the two of them. A can be 30 degrees or 60 degrees, but I chose angle A as 60 degrees, then angle B as 30 degrees. Then we are going to put the values of the angles. Sine 60 degrees plus sine 30 degrees equals 2 sine times 1/2 times 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, and cosine 1/2 times 60 degrees minus 30 degrees. Next is that we are going to operate what is in the column and just copy what's outside. 2 sine 1/2, 60 plus 30 is 90 degrees, then cosine 1/2, 60 minus 30 is equals to 30 degrees. Then we are going to operate 1/2 times 90 is equal to 45 degrees, then 1/2 times 30 is 15 degrees. Now we're going to copy 2, then as we can see that sine 45 degrees is a perfect angle. The value of sine 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. Then cosine 15 degrees will be remain. Then 2 times square root of 2 over 2 is equals to 2 square root of 2 over 2 cosine 15 degrees. Our final answer is 2 square root of 2 over 2 cosine 15 degrees. Let's move on to our next example. Cosine 75 degrees minus cosine 52 degrees. First step, find a sine which is angle A and angle B. Angle A will be 75 degrees, angle B will be 52 degrees. Let me remind you that it can be rumbled. Now we are going to put the values of the angles. Cosine 75 degrees minus cosine 52 degrees equals 2 sine 1/2 times 75 degrees plus 53. Then sine 1/2 times 75 degrees minus 53 degrees. Next is we will just do what we did on the last example. Negative 2 sine 1/2 75 plus 53 is equals to 128. Then sine 1/2 75 minus 53 degrees is 22. Then we are going to operate 1/2 times the angle. Negative 2 sine 1/2 times 128 is equals to 64. Then sine 1/2 times 22 is equals to 11 degrees. Our final answer will be negative 2 sine 64 degrees sine 11 degrees. Now it's your turn now to answer. Did you get it? That's great! The real-world connections of trigonometric concepts is that we can use it in our daily lives, just like the lives of engineers and architects, who are using trigonometric concepts to build buildings, roads, and bridges. It is so important that we will adopt trigonometry in our lives so that we can use it every time there is a problem that came to us. On deriving trigonometric formulas, no matter how easy or hard it is, we must remember that there is always a way to solve it. Knowing how to derive trigonometric formulas will make us not wondering where did that formula came from. I hope that you have learned something in my tutorial even for a short period of time. I hope that you will continue learning trigonometry because it was so fun to learn. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.